This is Dr. Mohan M R, consultant orthopedic surgeon and also medical director at Nano Hospitals, Bengaluru. When you are trekking, when you have no facilities available and you have a knee injury, how do you manage it? The basic thing of any injury, either knee, ankle or any injury, is that you immobilize it with whatever method available at that time. If you have a brace, well and glued. If you don't have it, put a stick, whatever is available where that part is immobilized with a crepe bandage, with a cloth, whatever is available at that point of time. Immobilization is the one thing which you can do it. Next thing is, if at all if there is an ice pack, cold pack available, you can apply that. Please do carry some of the anti-inflammatories when you are trekking so that at least the pain is taken care till you reach your healthcare facility. If possible, if you are staying for some time, keep the affected limb elevated over a pillow or any elevated structure where the circulation or the venous flow is maintained. Basically, the same principles of rest, immobilization, cold compression, elevation, that is the acronym for R.I.C.E. RICE. This acronym will apply even during trek. Only how you do it might vary depending upon the situations where you are left with. After you can reach a medical facility, make sure that you show it to the medical clinician who can evaluate the seriousness of injury and then decide further.